In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bottom freezer drawer in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new bottom freezer drawer, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For video purposes, we're going to remove the freezer door. This step is optional. To remove the drawer stop, insert a small flat blade screwdriver into the slot and gently start to pry on the locking tab. Then, grab and pull to remove. You may find this tricky. Repeat the same on the other side. Now, remove the top drawer by sliding it out and lifting up. Now, to remove the bottom drawer, tilt up on the front, push to the back to release the locking tabs, and lift out. This may be a little tricky. When shopping for a new bottom freezer drawer, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag in your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the bottom drawer, first locate the locking tabs on the back that need to be hooked on the drawer slides. Then, insert the back of the drawer at an angle between the upper rail and drawer slide. Now, tilt the front down and position it on the slides. Then, make sure the retaining tabs align to the slots. You may need to push the drawer back for the retaining tab to catch. To install the top drawer, align the rear wheels to the rails, ensuring the guide is aligned properly, and push back in place. To install the drawer stop, align and firmly press in place. Repeat the same on the other side. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.